Yo guys, Alvin Mark here. We are in the studio, but we're heading out right now for a nocturne session. Just downstairs. Not sure if you remember this area, but this just outside here is also known as Little Vietnam. Lots of eateries, pubs, nightclubs, almost like a Montmartre here in Singapore. I just wish that it was really Vietnam. Wow. Whoa. What? Good morning guys, welcome to Vietnam's capital, Hanoi. We're gonna hang out around here in the old quarter and with Asia Link Sketch Walk around the corner. I'm just saying, it'll be really cool to stick to this channel just for a bit.